This 2025 Palomino Puma 16 BHCE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Palomino Puma 16 BHCE is 3,164 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.